Hartford healthcare hospitals make the top 20% nationwide for safety and price transparency. Let's get into it. And welcome to Innovate Marketing Daily. Today is April 25th, 2024. My name is Shawn Neal, and we are bringing you the very best stories from the world of marketing, branding, and business growth. Now, it takes a lot for a hospital to make the top 20% nationwide. We're going to talk about that today. Without further ado, and thanks so much for joining me on this 25th day of 2024, April 2024. My goodness, the month of April is almost over. It is incredible how quickly this year is flying by. Like Q2 is well underway. So today we're going to talk about this. I want to really dive into this story. This one comes to us from Hartford, Connecticut. And that's where Hartford HealthCare is among the top 20% of hospitals nationwide recognized for outstanding patient safety ratings and the highest level of adherence to federal price transparency rules. Now, that is a very cool accomplishment, and I think deserves a huge round of applause. Let's pause for an applause for everyone there. All right, now, first, before we get into the story, I want to talk a little bit about Hartford HealthCare, who they are and what they do, and then we'll get back to the story, okay? So, Hartford HealthCare has 41,000 colleagues, and its unified culture enhances access, affordability, equity, and excellence. Now, its care delivery system, with more than 500 locations serving 185 towns and cities, includes 2 tertiary level teaching hospitals, an acute care community teaching hospital, an acute care hospital and trauma center, 3 community hospitals, a behavioral health network, a multi specialty physician group, a clinical care organization, a regional home health or a regional home care system, an array of senior care services, a mobile neighborhood health program, and a comprehensive physical program or physical therapy and rehabilitation network. Now, there's a lot there. So, to really sum it up, on average, Hartford Healthcare touches more than 23,000 lives every single day. All right, now getting back into this, the recognition came from the Health Transformation Alliance, or the HTA, cooperative of more than 60 of the nation's largest employers. The Leapfrog group, which recognizes patient safety efforts by healthcare institutions, and awarded all 7 Hartford healthcare hospitals A's in 2023. Now, more than 470 hospitals in 42 states were honored, and Hartford Healthcare's 7 hospitals were among 8 recognized in Connecticut. In addition to patient safety scores, by the way, the latest announcement highlights hospital adherence to the hospital price transparency rule. So in 2021, this federal mandate directed all medical facilities to provide clear, accessible pricing information about items and services they offer, so patients, you and I, can compare prices and estimate the cost of care before going to the hospital. Very, very cool. I love this recognition for them. I think that this is, again, applause worthy, and this is something that we should all be celebrating. So, wherever you're watching or listening to this podcast, please drop by that comment section and give a huge shout out to everyone there. Let them know that you are proud of them and you support them as they continue to grow and do the good work at Hartford Healthcare. And if you would like to support us here at Innovate Marketing Daily, we would love it. All you have to do is click that subscribe button. It may be a follow button wherever you're watching or listening, but either way, click the subscribe or follow button, and that will plug you in to the stories that we are sharing here every single day on Innovate Marketing Daily. And believe me, we are focused on the good stuff. I've told you over and over again, if you listen to the show, you know we could pick from a variety on any given day, a variety of negative stories. Who's done what wrong, what company's going bankrupt, what leader got fired. It's all out there everywhere if you choose to look for it. But we choose not to focus on that. We choose to focus on the positive. And why do you do that? Why? It's not just because we want to be fluffy and happy go lucky. It's because there is so much to learn from people who do good things in this world. There's so much we can glean from that. There's so much inspiration we can get from that. And there is so much that we can do when we hear about stories like this one today. So that is it, my friends. I appreciate you so much for being a part of this and joining us in our mission to bring a community of people together, people who care about marketing and branding and business growth. Until we meet again, my friends, please stay safe and be well. See ya.